How to manage when to notify me on Zoom mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage when to notify me on Zoom mobile. First go to Zoom and now click these 3 points here and then click this one chat, and now go down and you will find this one here, and now you can select here anything you want, like always, even if I'm active on desktop or only when I'm not active on desktop. Just select anything you want and then just go back and it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.